Hey guys, I just want to talk to you about the proper way to set up a heading for my class. So whenever you are sending something to me, you want to go ahead and open a new tab and you'll want to go to your Google Docs. And the reason that it's very important that you have a proper heading is because just because you email it to me or you put your name in the title in the top corner, that does not mean that I would see that when I print it. Also, sometimes you'll do group work and multiple people will be working and I'll only get the email from the one person who sent it to me. Or you might just share it. There's just lots of reasons why I might not know it's your paper if I print it. So once this comes open, there are two important things that you need to do. First of all, you want to right align your paper. This button here is the right align button. As you can see, right align pops up and it moves your cursor to the right side of the paper. And then you'll want to type your name. Now, very important, when you're writing, things are formal and informal. Informal is when you're writing your sweet grandma or you're texting your friends and you can kind of be loose with the rules. However, in language arts class, this is a class where I want things structured. Informal writing, for my class, I want you to use Times New Roman font on a 12-point font and keep your font black unless we're doing creative writing. Okay, so now you have your first and last name. Notice that I capitalized both first letters of both. The next line is going to be the date. The next line is going to be the period. I'm okay if you'd rather do like 1P or something like that. That's fine. I like to type things out. And then the last line is the date. Notice I have the month, the day, and the year, and everything is aligned to the right side of the paper. You hit enter twice and you'll go center. When you center it, you'll put the title of your assignment, enter twice, and then left align your cursor, and now you are ready. Okay? Also very important, when you have typed something and then you click up here, the title will automatically change to the first thing that you wrote. So then your name is automatically there and you can just add the title you want. And then I will know who this paper belongs to no matter what. If you have any questions, please just let me know. Thanks. Now, in order to get your 5 points or to get the tic-tac-toe, all you have to do is make a sheet with the proper heading and send it to me. You can email it to me at talitha.moore@nisd.gs or share it with me. Make sure if you share it with me that it is on the proper restrictions. Okay, turn it in so I can get those points. Bye.